Men are wired to be programmed basically through sex, because the whole man energy, the whole nature of man is basically to live as much G in this world.
To have a lot of sex. I'm just going to say it.
Kind of.
I can be that little voice in your head.
They just want to fuck. Okay. All right. So, how to make your man to stay loyal to you, knowing all that, or how to make man to be more successful. For example, your partner, right? To be more successful, to go ahead and build more businesses, to be like more wealthy and just like to be the best. How to do this? Female energy coming from this main chakra is actually the energy which provides for man. Men, in reality, they only take energy from women.
Oh.
And particularly through
Feels
sex.
about right. They take our energy.
Particular from sex. So that's why sex is so important. And you know it, when men have just ejaculation, but with somebody who is just there, like a body, they wouldn't get that energy.
Like a one-night stand type thing.
Exactly. They would even feel like drained and empty, right? I'm not talking about like two young boys like in the 20s, because it's a little bit different.
Oh,
They're still looking for themselves. I'm talking about like a mature man. So mature man, healthy, mentally healthy man, he wants to have a female partner who is strong enough with your feminine energy, because that's what will feed his himself, his energy, and also nurture him and support him when he has doubts about what if these businesses are not going good, should I do this, should I do not? And then he asks, do you think like, Lisa, should I do this? Like, what's your like gut feeling? And you're like, you know what, Tom, I believe in you. You did it so many times. I believe in you. You can do it. Come on, I'm here for you. You can do it. This is everything he needs. Like what man needs is just this, a moral support. So he feels like, I'm alpha male, I can do it. I'll go, I'll conquer the world. I'll do it for her because I love her, because she believes in me. So when you say exactly the same during his ejaculation, imagine how powerful it becomes for him. Because you're literally placing an anchor into his brain through exactly that private part of the body, which is the most important for any man. And which is the most powerful moment is an orgasm. So when you look into your partner's eyes during that moment and you tell him, not just I love you, I believe in you, you can do everything, I'm always here to support you, this is a huge motivation for his success. If you tell him during that moment, from the position we, it's not you, so you connect yourself with him. We are the power couple, we can do it together. It's you connecting yourself to him and you create this yin and yang, this like couple. You are the power. Without you, he's nothing.